Ever wonder why the rich keep getting richer, while most people struggle just to stay afloat? It's not just luck or inheritance. The difference is in how they think about money. In this video, we're diving into the powerful money mindsets of the wealthy and how you can start thinking like them today. Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we decode financial freedom one video at a time. No fluff, no faces, just real value. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, this is the mindset shift you've been waiting for. Let's break down how the rich think differently and how you can too. Most people work for money. Rich people make money work for them. To the wealthy, money isn't something you chase. It's a tool you use to build more value. They invest in assets, not liabilities. Instead of asking, "How can I afford this?" they ask, "How can I use this to grow wealth?" This mindset shift alone can transform your financial future. While the average person sees spending as an expense, the wealthy evaluate every dollar based on return on investment. That might mean paying more for education, mentorship, or tools, because they understand that the long-term return far outweighs the short-term cost. The question isn't, is it cheap? Does it pay me back? The rich play the long game. While many people seek instant gratification, wealthy individuals delay pleasure to build sustainable wealth. They invest in stocks, businesses, or real estate, not quick schemes. They know time is one of the greatest assets for compounding growth. You can't build an empire overnight, but with patience, you can build wealth that lasts generations. Most people sell their time for a paycheck. Rich people create systems that earn money while they sleep. This could be through investments, online businesses, or automated income streams. If your income stops when you stop working, you don't have financial freedom. You have a job. The wealthy build assets that earn whether they're working or not. The average person avoids financial education. The rich embrace it. They read books, follow markets, and hire financial mentors. They see money as a skill, not a mystery. And like any skill, it can be mastered. If you're not learning about money, you're falling behind. Because money never stays still. It's either growing or shrinking. So what separates the rich from everyone else? It's not just income, it's intention, it's discipline, and most of all, it's mindset. If you want to change your financial future, start by changing how you think about money. Because when your mindset shifts, your bank account follows. If this video opened your eyes, hit that like button. Subscribe for more no-nonsense money videos every week. And tell us in the comments, which of these mindset shifts will you apply today? Remember, wealthy thinking leads to wealthy living.